Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. It's RTJ Red Revilla. So right now, we are here in Montalban, which is the Anawin Foundation. Ang founder nito is si Brother Bo. And then, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, I heard also meron din sila yung sa Pam Foundation, kung saan yung mga tawag nito, yung mga na-abuse na mga babae or unready for become a mom, meron din sila doon, which is si Brother Bo rin daw ang founder. Ayan, so I don't play. So actually, ang tenant dito right now is nasa 74, and then ang kanilang foundation is 28 years na for now. By the way, today is January 8, 2024, which is birthday ni Ma'am Rhea. Yan yung boss ko. She decided, to celebrate her birthday and spend our time with nanay at tatay. So it just happened na pwede pala mag-filming dito, pero hindi natin pwede ipakita yung mga faces nila kasi we are given them, at least a privacy. As you can see, I'm wearing, face mask, although the pandemic is done, pero we make sure na yung kanilang health is paprotektahan sila at the same time. That's it. I just want to show you yung kanilang, yung kanilang place. Ayan. As you can see, ito yung entrance. Ayan. And then meron din dito mga lolas. Ayan, dyan. Mag-stay. And this one also. Here. Dito. Ayan. And then here, dito daw yung mga nag-stay. Parang I think separate yung lola at lola, yung kanilang tinutulugan. Ayan. But so far, nakita ko sila, nag-pray sila right now doon.
Their prayer,
Yeah. So later, kami ng packs para ma-share namin yung konting blessings na ang right and trading. Since yung mom ko nga ay nag-celebrate ngayon ng birthday, so we decided to came here and then para ma-share din natin yung mga blessings na na-receive natin. Alright, see you later mga amigos. Thank you. And for those who are really wanted, to share their blessings also, or you can actually donate. They have the Anawin, they have the page. So just send them a message. Pwede kayong mag-offer anything as long as bukal po sa loob ninyo. Thanks! Para kasama kakita pa. Yun natin yung
Yan, i-discuss mo yan.
Ayan So guys, this one, they have the vision dito sa Anawin, home of God's Word. Ayan, mission. Ayan We inspire to make ng Anawin lay mission, a foundation, incorporated the leading provider of Christian homes. So this was Christian home pala, care on rehabilitation, evangelization, and counseling for the poor and abandoned elderly. And in the Philippines, with help of the skilled of dedicated staff, we hope that create sustainable communities and fulfill our obligation to help those in need. We are committed in serving those living in our communities with the utmost respect and pledge to provide them with accommodation that will allow them to lead meaningful lives. Wow. So we have also the objective, and to build, enter the refuge and healing for the elderly who are abandoned. So normally, pakaramihan pala talaga dito is na-abandoned talaga ng mga matatanda. So, sana sa inyo, kung gusto nyo pong makatulong o gusto nyo pong tumulong, pwede po kayo pumunta sa page nila, which is Anawin. It's actually located here in Montalban. Thanks for watching. God bless us all. So, ito yung place nila. Maganda din naman. Very convenient naman yung place. Ayan. So, sa mga gusto kong tumulong para po kala nanay at tatay, pwede po kayong pumunta sa page nila. Ayan. In fact, kasi birthday ni Ma'am Rhea. So, para mas gusto niya dito mag-celebrate ang kanyang birthday. So, yung foundation na to, according to sa naka-office namin, nakausap namin, is 28 years na. And then, yung mga tenant dito is around mga 74. Hi guys! So, order ako ng beads kay Nanay Feli. So, meron pa ito yung parang aqua blue. So, babalikan ko. Pupunta muna tayo dito sa Jeremiah naman. Bawal kasi sila kuwanan ng picture. Ang maganda dito sa Anawin, meron silang pinagkakakitaan. Katulad si Lolo Boy is magawa siya ng basahan. Ano? Wow! Ito pala yung Jeremiah.
Nakanta ka doon?
Ha? Dili, oy!
Bata ba?
Ayaw lang. Sige lang. Ito yung Jeremiah.
Ano ni Dr. Di Guzman?
Dr. G. Guzman. Guys, ito naman yung Jeremiah. Kung saan yung mga na-abuse na mga babae, pwede pala dito. Tapos ang founder niya dito is si Brother Bo Sanchez. Ayan, Jeremiah. Oo nga. Ganyan lang. Ayan. So, katulad nun, bawal nga sila videoan. So, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you! Guys, so, ito yung binili namin kay Doc Pai, kay Nanay Feli, itong bracelet, kasi Ma'am Rhea, ayan. So, nakakatuwa kasi nagkaroon kami ng chance na ma-meet namin sila, si Tatay Boy, si Nanay Feli, nakalimutan ko, saka si Nanay Soli, ayan. So, later papakainin namin sila. Kasi yun nga, kagaya na sila ng bracelet. Ayan, pina-customize. Stones, ayan. Ito, naka-customize sa name ko. Ayan. So, yun nga, kagaya sinabi ko, bawal lang talaga silang videohan na nakaharap. Pwede naman videohan. Nag-ask naman ako ng permission. Pwede naman daw. Pero wag lang pakita yung face para sa privacy nila. Diyan ginawa yung bracelet namin sa loob. Dito sila nagsisimba. Kanina nag-prayer sila. Ayun, talagang matatouch ka talaga din sa kanilang mga istorya kasi nga iba-iba ang kanilang mga istorya. Ang masasuggest ko lang siguro kung halimbawa talaga yung ating mga magulang, dapat talaga natin hanggat buhay pa sila, since ako wala na akong nanay, my mom passed away when I was I think 4 years old ako noon, and I was actually adopted when my aunt was also passed away turning to 3 years. Masasabi ko lang talaga na hanggat buhay pa yung mga parents natin, likapin natin sila, bigay natin ang importansya, and then sabihin natin, ipakita natin kung gaano natin sila kamahal. I love you guys. Ayan guys, so ngayon naka-ready na yung food nila nanay at tatay. So, hindi ko kasi pwede sila ipakita kasi parang nga din sa privacy nila. Ayun, so right now kumakain na sila. Ayan, so far nag-enjoy naman. Ayan, yan yung bigay namin na food or pack for them. So ito yung place nila, napakaganda. Refreshing din kasi may mga puno at saka yung air is fresh talaga. Doon yun sila kumakain na. So that's all for now mga amigos amigas. Thanks for watching. So today is January 8, 2024 in Anawin Foundation and sa Montalban. Thanks.